Good morning to everyone. Is my voice is audible?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Please wait. I'll take my writing pad. Okay. So yesterday I gave a practice problem. So yesterday when I saw the problem, I done a mistake. I think I posted in the WhatsApp group, and also I corrected the mistake in the PDF. Okay, so that's why I want to do one more problem in this type. So I gave this problem is a practice problem. The solve 5 cos hx minus 3 sin hx equal to 5. So solution. So 5 into e power x plus e power minus x by 2 minus 3 into e power x minus e power minus x by 2 is equal to 5. So here have 5 e power x plus 5 e power minus x minus 3 e power x plus 3 e power minus x equal to 10. So 2 e power x plus 8 e power minus x equal to 10. Okay, throughout divide by 2, you'll get e power x plus 4 e power minus x is minus 5 equal to 0. So let us take e power x is equal to some t. So t plus 4 by t minus 5 equal to 0. So we multiply by t square minus 5t plus 4 equal to 0. So this is a t minus 4 into t minus 1 equal to 0. So t equal to 4 and 1. So t is e power x, it is equal to 4. So here e power x is equal to 1. I think in the last class, if you take a log, I think you told that log base 10. So you have e power x, so x is equal to log base e, base e 4. Similarly, x is equal to log base e 1. So now from this you can easily know that log 1 base e 1 is 0. What is log base e 4? 1.384. So please verify your results now.
Sir, can you show previous page?
Previous slide. Okay. Can I go to the next one? Next slide.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And also, there is one more problem. I think you can do that problem. The problem is if cos of alpha plus I beta equal to cos theta plus I sin theta, prove that sine square alpha equal to plus or minus sin alpha. I think Kriva Arjun solved the problem and sent to me. I think it is correct. Actually, uh, in that problem, the final answer you have alpha and theta. So you need to eliminate beta. So that is the idea. So, and also yesterday I solved the last problem. Last problem I solved in shortcut method, and then I told that you can solve the same problem by different method. So I will do that one first. If e power z equal to sine of u plus iv, and z equal to x plus iv, prove that 2 into e power 2x equal to cos h2v minus cos 2e. Solution. So what I told yesterday, you need to first what is given the statement e power z equal to sine of u plus iv. This is given here. So is that equal to x plus iy? Is that equal to x plus iy? Okay. So now this is what right hand side is, you can write sine of a plus b, sine a cos b plus cos a sin b So on the left hand side, you can write this is e power x into e power iy, e power x into e power iy, e power iy, okay, write e power iy, and then sine u into this is what? Cos hv plus cos u into sine iv. Sine iv is I sine hv. Now you can write this is e power x into e power I theta. Cos theta, theta is here y plus I sine theta. So this is equal to sine u into cos h v plus I into cos u into sine hv. So now the real part is what is the real part? If you compare the real part, you have e power x cos y equal to sine u into cos hv. If you compare the imaginary part, you will get e power x into sine y, left hand side. Right hand side, the imaginary part is cos u into sine hv. Okay, so look at the final answer. Here you have x, you have e power 2x. Okay, so cos h2e, cos 2e. So here I have x. If you square this, I will get e power 2x. Okay, so that's why I am going to square and add. So 1 square plus 2 square. And also I don't have here y. Okay, in the final answer, I have only x, u, v. So I need to eliminate y. So 1 square, and also I need e power 2x. So that's why I am squaring and add. Because I am some problem, I will divide by 1 by 2. Okay, some problem I will do like this. So this is coming from by observation and the practice. Okay, so now e power 2x. Okay, e power 2x. Because in both the term you have e power 2x, that's why I'll take commonly cos square y plus sin square y, which is equal to, right hand side is what? Sin square u cos h square v, okay, plus cos square u into sin h square v. Okay, so actually this is 1. Okay, but here I have sine term, but I don't have here sine term. Okay, so first to convert sine square u in terms of cos square u. Okay, and keep cos h square v and keep cos square u, and write sine h square v in terms of cos h square v. So that is the next step. Okay, I'll go to the next page. So please tell the left hand side. I think left hand side is what? E power 2x into 1. Okay. Right hand side is what? Instead of sine square u, I am going to write what? 1 minus cos square u into cos h square v into cos h square v plus cos square u. So how to write sin h square v? So please tell. In terms
Cos
of,
h square v minus 1.
yes, correct, Shivastan. Cos h square v minus 1. Okay. So if you want to write, you can write here, since cos h square theta minus sin h square theta. In general, I'm writing theta. Okay. So here we have v instead of theta. Okay. So now on left hand side you have e power 2x. Now multiply, you get cos h square v minus cos square u into cos h square v plus cos square u into cos h square v minus cos square u. So you can cancel the second term and third term. So remaining you have e power 2x is equal to cos h square v minus cos square u. Okay. Now I have this. So again, so what we need? I need in terms of multiples. Okay. This is not in terms of power. I have multiples. Okay, here 2v, 2u. But here have power. Okay, so now I need to convert from power to multiple. So you know that cos square u or cos square theta. Okay, what is cos square theta? 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2. Similarly, I need what? Cos h square theta. Cos h square theta is what? What is cos h square theta?
Sir, 1 plus cos h 2 theta, sir.
Yeah, 1 plus cos h 2 theta by 2. Correct, Kavimani. So you should be familiar with these types of formulas, especially in terms of hyperbolic functions. Okay. So e power 2x cos h square v equal to 1 plus cos h 2v divided by 2 minus 1 plus cos 2u divided by 2. So now you can take 2 is LCM and then cross multiply. Okay, 2 into e power 2x. So here I have 1 and the minus 1 gets cancelled. The final answer is what? Cos h2v minus cos 2v. So this is the final answer. So similarly, you can also try. Suppose if I solve your one problem by a method, you can try if possible. Sometimes it is you need to think more. Okay. So next problem. If cosecant of pi by 4 plus ix equal to u plus iv. Prove that u square plus v square whole square equal to 2 into e square minus v square. Solution. So what is given? What is given in the statement? Cosecant of pi by 4 plus ix equal to u plus iv. Okay. So, or you can write u plus iv equal to. So if I write like this, it is a little bit convenient for me. Okay. So now you can write this is 1 by sine. I convert in terms of sine. Okay. Sine of pi by 4 plus ix. Okay. Even if you find the real and imaginary part of cosecant of x plus iy, first you will write 1 by sine of x plus iy and then multiply and divide by sine of x minus iy by sine of x minus iy. But here the same procedure. Okay, the same procedure. So try. So the idea is uh, now, okay. So the idea is you need to write the denominator, that is sine of a plus b. Okay, sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. So write it. One by sine of pi by 4 sine a cos b plus cos pi by 4 cos a sine b sine ix. Okay. So sine pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Similarly, cos pi by 4 is what? 1 by root 2. So which is equal to 1 by 1 by root 2 cos ix. Cos ix is cos hx plus cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 sin ix. Sin ix is I sin hx. So this root 2 is going to the numerator now. So root 2 divided by cos hx plus I into sin hx. So as usual, you need to multiply and divide by cos hx minus I sin hx divided by cos hx minus I sin hx. Okay. So now what is the numerator? The numerator is root 2 into cos hx minus I sin hx. And the denominator is on the form a plus ib into a minus ib. A plus
One,
I.
sir.
Sorry? 1. What?
Yes, sir.
No, not 1, Shreja. Please check it carefully.
Cos h square x plus sin h square x.
Yeah. Yeah. What is your name? Krivarji. Yeah, cos h square x plus sin h square x. So if it is cos square x plus sin square x, then it is 1. Okay. Wow. So think about what is cos h square x plus sin h square x. So that's why you are not still familiar with the hyperbolic functions. So this is not your mistake. So because last 3 to 4 days only you are studying hyperbolic function, so you should spend more time. You should work out more problems. Okay, then only you can remember the formulas. Okay. So think about what is cos h square x plus sin h square x. So this is a plus ib into a minus ib cos square h square x plus sin h square x. Okay. So anybody got the answer? Avantika, what is your message? So usually I don't see the message when I'm taking the class, Avantika. Okay, sorry. Because sometimes I don't know who is posting the message. If you want to convey any message, just you can unmute your mic and then you can tell. Okay. Cos h2x minus sin h2x. No. It's okay. So, okay, I'll give you an idea. Okay, what is cos?
Sir, cos h2x, sir, answer.
Very good. Very good. What is your name?
Rahul, sir.
Rahul. Yes, correct. How you got it?
Sir?
Yeah, how you got it?
Sir, actually, by the formula, cos 2x is equals to cos square x minus sin square x.
Very good. Very good. So that is I am expecting. Okay. So I am expecting from. I don't expect this formula. Okay, well, the final answer. At least you should know the corresponding formula. Then only you can derive. Okay, cos 2x. Okay, cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. Okay, I gave this formula in 2 days before, and then I told that you need to convert. Okay, so here theta equal to ix. If you substitute theta equal to ix, so then cos 2 theta is ix. Sorry, x is equal to I theta. Or you can take this is theta, this is theta, this is theta. So theta equal to ix. So cos 2 theta is ix. So you can, this is cos, okay, cos theta. Theta is ix whole square minus sin theta is ix whole square. So now cos h2 2ix is what? Cos h2x. Okay, this is equal to cos ix is what? Cos hx whole square, that is cos h square x. Similarly here minus this is what? I sin hx whole square. So I will write here. I will write here the next step. So you will get cos h2x equal to cos h square x. So here I have I square. I square is -1, so minus of minus plus, so plus sin h square x. So instead of cos h square x plus sin h square x, you can replace by what? Cos h2x. So hereafter you should remember this result. Suppose we forgot, you can derive using this formula. Okay, so if this is equal to, so that's why I told that you should be strong in the basics. So this is cos h2x. Okay, so now what is the left hand side? Left hand side is u plus iv. So u is equal to the real part and v equal to imaginary part. Okay, wow. What is u? Please tell. So please write. I'll take some water and then I'll come back. Sorry. Okay, what is u? So please tell. U equal to root 2 into
Root 2 cos hx by
root 2 into cos hx divided by
cos h2x.
cos h2x. Okay, thank you, Pa. So what is V? Please tell.
Minus root sin hx by
Prashant. P equal to minus root 2 into sin hx.
yes, sir, by cos h2x.
Okay, cos h2x. Okay. And then, okay, again, what we need. The left hand side, you have u square plus v square whole square. Okay. So that's why I'm going to find the u square plus v square. So u square, the denominator is same. So that's why this is cos h square 2x. The numerator is, if you square this, you'll get 2 into cos h square x plus 2 into sine h square x. So you can take the 2 commonly. Cos h square x plus sine h square x is what? Just now we proved. Cos
2x.
2hx.
h2x. Okay, cos h2x divided by cos h square 2x. So after cancelling cos h2x, you'll get what? 2 divided by cos h2x. So this is u square plus v square. But in the left hand side, I have u square plus v square whole square. So that's why I'm squaring on both sides. If I square, you have what? 4 divided by cos h square 2x. So this is the left hand side. I got it. So similarly, I am going to write right hand side, and I am going to prove 2 into u square minus v square equal to this function. That is a 4 by 4 into cos h square 2x. Then the problem is over. So that's why I'm going to take u square minus v square first. Originally you have 2 times u square minus v square on the right hand side. Just consider u square minus v square now. Later you can multiply by 2. What is u square minus v square? Please tell. So u square minus v square is just
2 cos h
2 cos
h square x
h square x
minus 2 sin h square x
minus 2 sine h square x
by cos h square 2x.
by cos h square 2x. Okay, thank you, Prashanta.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the numerator down, then I think you know this result. You are familiar with cos h square x minus sin h square x. That is 1. Okay, 1. Also 2 divided by cos h square 2x. So now you learned today cos h square x plus 2 sin h square x. That is the new formula. That is cos h2x. So now, what is the right hand side? We have 2 times
2 into.
Yeah, yes. So 2 into u square minus v square. So if I multiply by 2, you get 4 divided by cos h square 2x. But this is same as u square plus v square whole square. This is 1. Okay. So this is 1. This is same as u square plus v square whole square by 1. And hence we proved these two are equal. So proof is over. Okay. So now I will move to the next part. Yeah, next heading is expansion of sine h theta, cos h theta in ascending powers of theta. Okay. Expansions of sine h theta, comma cos h theta in ascending powers of theta. So what is the sine h theta or sine hx? What is sine hx or theta? Here in terms of theta, I told that. So what is sine h theta?
E power theta
Yeah, e power theta. Please tell.
minus
Ah,
e power minus theta by 2.
yes, correct, Purnachandra. This is equal to, you can write, we need in ascending powers of theta. So 1 by 2 into e power theta expansion, 1 plus theta by 1 factorial plus theta square divided by 2 factorial plus and so on. Okay, minus e power minus theta. What is the expansion for e power minus theta? 1 minus theta by 1 factorial plus theta square divided by 2 factorial minus theta cube divided by 3 factorial, okay, and so on. So close the bracket. Now you can see here 1 and minus 1 gets cancelled, and then theta square by 2 factorial and theta square by 2 factorial gets cancelled. So remaining you have what you have remaining, 2 theta divided by 1 factorial, but here have 2. So first we'll write 1 by 2 2 theta divided by 1 factorial. Similarly, you have what? Theta cube by 3 factorial. Okay, so you have theta cube and plus theta cube by 3 factorial. So 2 theta cube divided by 3 factorial plus so on. And then if you want to write one more term, you can write theta power 5 by 5 factorial and so on. So only you have odd powers of theta. Now take 2 commonly from the numerator and cancel with these 2. Therefore, sine h theta. What is sine h theta? Theta divided by 1 factorial, or just you can write theta plus theta cube divided by 3 factorial plus theta power 5 divided by 5 factorial. Okay, plus and so on. So this is the expansion of sine h theta. Okay, in the ascending powers of theta. Okay, now suppose if you have cos h theta, then here have plus, then here have plus. Okay, so please tell your answer. Similarly, so look at the previous equation and add those two, and then tell what is the answer.
2 plus
Yeah, please tell Srivastava. 2
2 plus
1 by 2 one final answer, or telling final answer, or
no sir, in the bracket first.
okay, so
1 by 2 into
yeah,
2
1 by
plus
2 into 2 plus
2 theta square by 2 factorial
2 theta square by 2 factorial
plus 2 theta power 4 by 4 factorial
4 factorial and so on. Theta power 6 2 theta power 6 by 6 factorial and so
6
on.
factorial.
So if you take 2 commonly, So final answer is what from this now? I need the final answer.
1 plus
Yeah, 1 plus.
theta square by 2 factorial
Yes, correct. Purnachandra, please tell 1 plus theta square divided by 2 factorial.
plus
Here
theta
have
power 4.
yeah
Theta power
even
4 by
powers.
4 factorial.
Even powers, yes.
Yes, sir.
Theta
Plus
power
theta
6,
power
6
by
by
6
6
factorial.
factorial. Yes, thank you. Okay. So now I will solve one problem using these two formulas. Okay, problem number, I don't know problem number 3 or 4 exactly. Okay, I will write 3. Evaluate limit extends to 0 sin hx minus sin x divided by x cube. So now you should apply uh, the formula first. This is equal to limit x tends to 0 sin hx. What is sin hx expansion?
x plus
X plus
x cube by 3 factorial plus
yes, please tell x power.
x power 3 x power 5 by 5 factorial
Okay, good. So
minus
yes, it's on. So on minus now
minus
sin theta expansion in terms of
x
theta.
minus
X minus, very good.
x cube by 3 factorial
Please write. Yeah.
plus
Uh,
x power 5 by 5 factorial
okay,
minus up to
minus and so on. So divided by x cube. So here I think
x cancel
gets cancelled. X power 5 also gets cancelled.
cancel
So you have
1 by 6 are answer.
limit one. Yeah, we'll do by one step by step. Okay. So what is the term you have? These two terms you have so 2 x cube divided by 3 factorial. Okay, and then x power 5 and x power 5 by 5 factorial gets cancelled. So next you have 2 into x power 7, because here you have x power 7 by 7 factorial. Here you have what? Minus x power 7 by 7 factorial. So minus of minus plus and so on. Divided by, you have x cube here. So take x cube common in the numerator and then allow x tends to 0. That is a 2 by 3 factorial. 2 by 3 factorial is 2 by 6 plus 2 by 7 factorial into x power 7, because anyway this is going to 0 divided by x cube. First cancel this x cube and x cube.
Sir, x power 4 sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, x power 4. Yeah. Originally it was x power 7 after taking x cube. So we should write this x power 4. Okay, thank you. So now if you allow x goes to 0, so this is 0, you have 2 by 6.
1 by 3.
Yeah, 1 by 3, yes. That's correct. Okay. Now I will give you a similar type of practice problem. First to you, you can try practice problem 1. Evaluate limit x tends to 0 cos h2x minus cos 2x divided by x square. Okay, answer for this problem is 4. So same thing. Okay, so I done it what? Sin hx and sin x. So you are going to do for cos h2x and cos 2x. Okay, so next problem. So the next, still I have three more problems, practice problem. Okay, I will give this problem a try. Okay, maybe I will solve one or two problems later, not in the next class. Okay, this is the first problem. So second problem is if sine of theta plus I phi equal to tan alpha plus I secant alpha, prove that cos 2 theta into cos h2 phi equal to 3. Okay, third problem. If sin h theta plus I phi equal to cos alpha plus I sin alpha, okay, prove that sin h power 4 theta equal to cos square alpha equal to cos power 4 phi. And the last problem, if tan of theta plus I phi equal to cos alpha plus I sin alpha, prove that subdivision 1 theta equal to n pi by 2 plus pi by 4, subdivision 2, this is 4, subdivision 2, pi equal to 1 by 2 log of pi by 4 plus alpha by 2. Okay, so try these four problems.
Sir, one show second problem.
Second, okay. I think you can, everyone solve the first one. So you need to spend some time. You should discuss with your friends. So, okay. Suppose if you can't able to solve this problem, so you should refer the books and you should discuss with your friends. You'll get an idea. Okay. So the next topic is inverse hyperbolic functions. Okay. So here I'm going to give the results for sine h inverse of x, cos h inverse of x, and tan h inverse of x. So first result, sine h inverse of x equal to log of x plus root of x square plus 1. Okay, so we can prove this result. So proof. So let us take sine h inverse of x equal to y. So this implies x is equal to sine hy. Okay, so this implies x is equal to sine hy is what? E power y minus e power minus y divided by 2. Now cross multiply, 2x is equal to 2x is equal to e power y minus 1 by e power y. So again, I'm going to take substitute e power y or t equal to e power y. So this implies we have 2x is equal to t minus 1 by t. So now throughout multiply by t, you get 2xt equal to t square minus 1, or otherwise t square minus 2xt minus 1 equal to 0. So which is a quadratic equation in t. So I'm going to solve for t. So t equal to minus b. B is what? Minus 2x plus or minus root of b square. B square is okay. Here b square, b is minus 2x. So b square is 4x square minus 4. A is 1, c is minus 1. So plus 4 divided by 2. So t equal to 2x plus or minus root of, I think you can take 4 commonly. If you take 4, you have 2 x squared plus 1 divided by 2. So you can take 2 commonly and cancel out with this 2. You have x plus or minus root of x squared plus 1. So t equal to this expression. But t is what? E power y. So e power y equal to x. Actually, e power y is always positive, so that's why I'll take the positive side here. So x plus root of x square plus 1. Okay. So this implies what is y? Y equal to log base e x plus root of x square plus 1. But y equal to what? Y equal to sine h inverse of x. So this implies sine h inverse of x is equal to log of, so log base e. So if I don't put anything, it is a base e. So x plus root of x square plus 1. So similarly, you can prove. So you can prove the second result. Okay. So I just gave you a practice problem. So prove that cos h inverse of x equal to log of x plus root of x square minus 1. So once you prove this, you can use this result. Okay. So next, third one. So I will do it. Prove that tan h inverse of x is equal to 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. Okay. The proof is very similar. So let us take y equal to what? Y equal to tan h inverse of x. So this implies x is equal to tan hy. X is equal to tan hy. So tan hy is what? Sin hy divided by cos hy. So instead of sin hy, you can write it is x is equal to e power x.
E power x minus e power
y. Yeah, e power y.
e power y minus
uh,
e power minus y by e power y plus e power minus y.
Yes, correct. Purnachandra. So 2 gets cancelled. Okay. So now you can cross multiply. So x into e power y plus x into e power minus y equal to e power y minus e power minus 1. I'm going to take commonly e power y. So if I take e power y commonly, remaining is what? X here have 1. So if it comes this side, it is minus 1. So which is equal to, here I'm going to take e power minus y commonly. Okay, or minus of e power minus 1 commonly. So if I take, then have 1, 1.
X plus
It comes here, this side.
X plus 1, sir.
Yeah, so 1 plus x. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now this is equal to e power y divided by e power minus y equal to, okay, 1 plus x, you have minus by x minus 1. So I will write e power minus y in the numerator. So e power y into e power y. So here have 1 plus x. Because of this minus, you can write 1 minus x. So e power 2y equal to e power 2y equal to 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. So this implies 2y equal to log base e 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. So y equal to half log base e 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. But our substitution y is what? Tan h inverse of x. So tan h inverse of x is equal to half log 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. So now we know 3 more results. Okay, first result is what? Sin h inverse of x, cos h inverse of x, and then tan h inverse of x. So last problem, if a plus ib equal to tan inverse of x plus ib, prove that b equal to 1 by 4 into log of x square plus 1 plus y whole square divided by x square plus 1 minus y whole square. So already you know the real and imaginary part of tan inverse of x plus iy. So please refer your note and tell what is a, that is a is what? A is a real part of tan inverse of x plus iv. And b is what? Imaginary part of tan inverse of x plus iv. So what is a? So please tell quickly. Is anybody?
We have tan 2a, sir.
So we solved tan inverse of x plus iy problem. I think two to 3 days before. Find the
Sir,
real.
in that there is tan 2a, sir, not 2a.
Before
Sir,
that.
A is equal to
Very good.
half tan inverse
Half tan inverse
2x upon
2x upon
1 minus
uh,
x square minus y square.
yes. So suppose this problem is asked in the university question paper or CA, First, you need to derive that problem. Okay, what is B?
Half
Half
tan h inverse
tan H inverse
of 2y
2y.
upon 1 plus x square
Yes.
plus y square.
Okay, thank you, Srivastan. So now actually I need what? B, not A. Okay, but just I want to write A and B. So from this B equal to 1 by 2, I just keep it tan H inverse of x. What is the formula? 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. So instead of tan H inverse of x, I am going to use the formula 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x. What is x? X is what? 2y divided by 1 plus x square plus y square divided by 1 minus x. Is it correct? Okay, what is the next hour class you have? Next hour, what is your next hour? Free or class? Just I
Free,
want
sir.
free. Okay.
Free, sir.
Okay. The reason is I want to finish this problem only. I don't take okay too much. Okay, just I want to finish because I started this problem. I'll finish maximum within 2 minutes. Okay, so I wrote A and I wrote B. Now B equal to 1 by 2. I wrote this is 1 by 2 is here. Tan H inverse of x. What is tan H inverse of x? Formula 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. So the formula you have 1 by 2 log 1 plus this is your x, okay, divided by 1 minus x. Okay, so 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4 log of, so take 1 plus x square plus y square is LCM. The numerator you have what? 1 plus x square plus y square plus 2y divided by, if you take in the denominator 1 plus x square plus y square, this is square. So you have what? 1 plus x square plus y square minus 2y. After taking LCM, here also the denominator 1 plus x square plus y square. Here also you have 1 plus x square plus y square, that is cancelled. So in the next step you will get the answer. So 1 by 4 log of what you need, x square plus, so you should keep x square separately in the numerator and denominator. So if I keep x square separately, remaining you have what? 1 plus y square plus 2y. One plus y square plus 2y. Similarly, in the denominator, keep x square separately. Remaining you have 1 plus y square minus 2y. So that's it. So 1 by 4 log of x square. So this is 1 plus y whole square divided by x square plus this is 1 minus y whole square. Sorry. So that is the end of the problem. If you have any doubt, you can ask to me. Otherwise, we will meet next week, Monday. Okay, thank you everyone. So once you finished that first exercise, so try to solve the problems in the second exercise. I already told that you can start. Okay, and also today I gave some practice problem. You can try. Okay, thank you everyone. Yeah,
Sir.
please.
Yesterday
Thank you, sir.
you said no, sir.
Yeah.
Sine square theta into cos cube theta and powers of theta.
Yes. Yeah.
That is how to do, sir.
Yeah, actually, I think university solved that problem, and I received the problem solution
Yes,
through
sir.
Google. Okay, I think she solved nicely. Okay. Okay. Just what is your expansion? Sin theta cos theta. So
Yes,
please
sir.
tell.
Sine square theta and cos cube theta, sir.
Yeah, sin squared, but we need a maximum theta power 5. Is it
Yes,
correct?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So sin theta expansion is what?
Theta minus theta square, theta cube by 3 factorial plus theta power 5 by 5
Oh, no,
factorial.
no. Only first two terms. I don't even take theta power 5 because if power square means I don't need theta power 5. Just keep theta minus theta cube, only term.
Okay, sir. Theta minus theta, sir. Whole
Okay.
square
Okay, and then what is the next term?
cos cube theta.
Yeah, please tell. Cos theta expansion.
1 minus theta square by 2 factorial.
That is
whole
enough.
cube.
That is enough.
Yes, sir.
That is only two terms. So depending upon the answer, if you write. So
Okay,
university, you done it nicely, ma. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Good. Yeah.
Sir, for 24th problem, how should we solve, sir? They asked up to theta power 6, sir.
24th problem.
Yes, sir. I solved, sir, but I didn't get that third term, sir.
24. Okay. So they are asking up to theta power 6.
6, sir.
So, okay. So the same idea only. Okay. So theta, what is cos cube theta expansion you wrote?
Sir, I used the same, sir. Cos
Same.
theta, the whole cube.
So 1 minus theta square by 2 factorial plus
Yes, sir.
theta power 4 I don't need. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So similarly for cos square theta, 1 minus, theta minus theta cube by 3 factorial plus theta power 5 also I don't need. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you need to expand it. So only thing you should be concentrated about the multiple, that is 2ab term, 3a square b term, 3ab square term. You should be little bit careful those types of terms.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So try. If you don't get it, okay, you send me what you tried to me. I will check it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Please tell Gobal.
any idea about 17, 18, 19 sums, sir?
17,
Can you
18,
give it
19.
some?
So 17, I think
Yes,
17 similar type of problems I solved. Is it correct? Remaining students, please tell.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sir, yes, sir.
Yeah, what is the problem? Purna Chandra.
Sir?
Please tell. This is just a discussion.
Yes, sir. 1
Okay,
plus cos 5 theta.
anybody can answer. Okay, yeah.
1 plus cos 5 theta can be written as 1 plus cos 2 theta formula, sir.
Okay, what problem is, yes, you're right. I think we solved a similar type of problem.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, Gokul, I
Sir?
think yesterday also you discussed with me one problem, that is 1 plus cos 9 theta by 1 plus cos theta. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, the same type, the same method. Okay, va?
Okay, sir.
17, 18 க்கு வந்துட்டு I have not solved the related problem in the classroom, but in the book, the example 1.5. So please refer example 1.5. So first solve example 1.5 and then solve problem number 18. Okay, va?
Okay, sir.
19
Okay, sir.
already I gave us a homework. Okay, and Purna Chandra solved that problem. Okay, and then I told that you need to divide by sin theta. Okay, is it correct, Purna Chandra?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so for that for the 19th problem, the idea is example 1.4. I already solved example 1.4 in the classroom. Okay, Gugu?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll meet tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you,
Not
sir.
tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, day after tomorrow. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.